Good evening, everyone. My name is Brian Esteban Garcia, and this is my presentation about the activity important events in my life. The subject is describe situation and ideas, and I am in the university called Manuel Beltran. So next slide. The next slide is the categories I select for the questions that are your favorite vacation, a childhood memory, and your favorite moment at school. Uh, this is this are the questions for every category. The next slide is answers of the selected categories. And there are the answer. There are the categories. The first category is your favorite vacation. The questions are: where did you go? With who did you go with? When was that vacation? The answer are: I went to San Andres Islands. I went with my parents, my uncle, my grandmother, my cousin, my aunts, and the daughter of a friend of my mother. And three, that vacation was a year ago. Next slide. Next category is a childhood memory. The questions are: why was that situation important in your life? Answer: that situation was important for me because it was the best feeling in my life. In that place you feel an extreme tranquility, like being in heaven. And sometimes in that place snows, and in the night a large amount of fireflies began to light on. 2. How old were you in that moment? I was 9 years old. Who were you with? Uh, I, I was with my mother and my aunt. First category, no. Third category is your favorite moment at school. The first question is: who were you with? I was with my school friends. Second question is: when did that event happen? That event happened when I was 6 years old. Third question is: where were you at? So I was in the school. Uh, Finally are the conclusions. My conclusion is that it's important to remember some of the most important memories in our life. Some of these memories has marked a footprint in the history because sometimes the memories give ideas for making a step up in the humanity. That's all.